Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript problem solving playlist. So today's problem is going to be a binary search problem, and it says given an array of integers number which is sorted in ascending order and an integer target, write a function to search target in nums. If target exists, then return its index, otherwise return 0. So it means that I'm going to be given a list of array. It is going to be sorted in the ascending order. That means if it starts from 1, then it is going to have numbers from 1 to 10 in an ascending order, and there is going to be a target. They are going to give us a number that we need to search in that array. If we find that number in that array, then it is going to return the index number, and if we can't find that number, then it is simply just going to return -1. So I have already solved this problem, and I'm going to explain it by showing you the problem because it's much easier to understand how it happens. You are going to get the broader picture if you see the whole code in the beginning. So this is the solution, and now I'm going to explain it with visual representation. Let's just say you have 10 people. You have 10 people in a bus. You have a bus with 10 seats and you have 10 players. Each player has a jersey number. So numbers in the bracket is their jersey number, and the number in front of the name, it is the index number or the seat number, you can say. So there are 10 people. David, Jason, Carl, Benny, Jonas, Steve, Max, Green, Sam, and Rick. They have the jersey number from 1 to 10, and the seat number starts from, or the index number, let's just say seat number is starting from 0. So we need to find out if Max with the jersey number Sam is in the bus or not. You are a driver and you need to find out if Sam is in the bus or not. Now, if you go to each seat and you don't know who Max is, you need to see their number and everything. So if you go to each seat and say, are you Max, are you Max, are you Max, then it is going to take a lot of time and energy. We don't want to do that. So we are going to use binary search. What binary search does is that it cuts the number in half. Let's just say you are searching for a number 75 from 1 and in an array of 1 to 100. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to cut the number in half. The half of 0 to 100 is 50. Now you are going to ask, is 75 greater or less than 50? If it is less than 50, then you are going to search from 0 to 50. But if it is greater, then you are sure that your number is going to be from 50 to 100, right? So you are going to do that. Now you are going to cut the number in half also, 50 to 100. What is the half of 50 to 100? It is going to be 75. Now you are going to say that if the number 75 is equal to 75, then you are going to get your answer. So instead of going to 100 numbers or 75 numbers, you can go to 3 operation and get your desired number. So we are going to do exactly that, and we are going to do it with our JavaScript code. Now we are going to say that this is our number, this is the player number or the jersey number in that array, and our target is 7. Now we have taken a function. The function is called binary search. We are going to take 2 parameters, nums and target, and I have written console logged the function as well with the parameter nums and target. Now you are seeing that there is some 6, 7 written here. It is because I am using an extension that is called Coca.js, and when you install it, just hit Shift Ctrl P and then start on current file. When you do that, Coco.js is going to run here, and whatever you are going to see in the console, you can see it in the VS Code. You don't need to use the browser and everything. So I have taken it. Now I need to see the midpoint. I'm going to start from 0 and I'm going to end at nums.length minus 1. Why nums.length minus 1? Because my index is always going to be the lesser, one number less than the number of items I have. Because if you can see in the console log, nums.length is equal to 10. Because I have 10 people here, right? I have 10 people here. That is why nums.length is equal to number 10. But I have 9 indexes here. As you can see, I have 9 index from 0 to 9. That is why when I'm taking the end, I'm going to minus 1 from the total length. I hope you understand that. Now I'm going to take the mid. Now I'm going to explain this portion later. I'm going to take the while loop and I'm going to take the mid. Mid is going to be math.floor start plus end divided by 2. So what is the mid is going to be? Let's just say, what is the mid of 10? What is the mid of from 1 to index 9? Let's calculate this. 0 plus 9 divided by 2 is going to be 4.5. But index cannot be 4.5. It has to be an integer. So I'm going to use the math.floor method. So it is going to be the less of that. So right now my mid is 4. Now I'm going to check nums.mid. So my index number mid is going to be 4. Now I'm going to check if the number in the 4th index, if it is less than my target. If it is less than my target, the mid is going to change. The mid is going to change. The start is going to change. Start is going to change from mid plus 1. And if not, then the end is going to be mid minus 1. Let me explain. Now I'm searching for max, right? So this is the code. Keep that in mind. You can write it down, then it will be easier to understand. Now I'm searching for max with the jersey number 7. First thing first, I'm going to divide. I'm going to choose the mid. What is the mid of from 0 to 9 index? It is 4. Now I'm going to say that the target, the jersey number 7, if it is less than if the number that I have now, the number jersey number 5 is in the index 4. Is 5 less than 7 or not? Yes, 5 is less than 7. In that case, my start is going to start from, I don't need to check from 0 to 4. I need to check from 5 to 9. So I'm going to start searching from 5. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change the start from mid plus 1. So it is going to be 4 plus 1. It is going to be 5. So I'm going to start searching from index 5 till 9. Now I'm searching. And what is my mid right now from index 5 to 9? Let's figure it out. From index 5 to 9, my mid is 5 plus 9 divided by 2. My index is 7. So 7 is my mid. Now my question is the jersey number 7? Now in the 7 index, the jersey number is 8. But I'm looking for jersey number 7. So is jersey number 8 less than 7? No, the answer is not. The jersey number 8 is greater than 7. So I have written a condition that if nothing else, that the mid is going to be mid minus 1. End is going to be mid minus 1. So I know that my end, it is bigger, the index, my mid is bigger, so there is no point in searching 7, 8, 9 index. So I'm going to, what I'm going to do, I'm going to decrease my endpoint. I'm going to decrease my endpoint by 1. So I'm going to say that index 7 minus 1 is going to be 5. So my end is right now is 6 and a start is 5. So I'm going to compare between 5 and 6. What is the mid of 5 and 6? 5 plus 6 is 11, divided by 2, it is 5.5. As I am searching, as I have used the mid dot float, so my mid is going to be 5. In the mid 5, index 5, I have jersey number 6. Now do I need jersey number 6? No, I'm looking for jersey number 7. Is jersey number is jersey number 6 less than jersey number 7? Yes, it is jersey number 7. So I'm going to increase my start. So now my start is going to be mid plus 1. So it is going to be 5 plus 1. It is going to be 6. Now in the 6, I have written a condition that if nums.mid is equal to target, then return mid. So if I'm going to return, now all I can see that in the index 6, my jersey number 7 is present. So I'm going to return the mid. In that case, I'm going to return 6. If you can see here is that uh, uh, the function has returned the index number of 6. So that is the first solution of our if the target exists, then return its index, otherwise return -1. Now if the jersey number doesn't exist, if the player doesn't exist, let's just say I'm looking for player number 12 with jersey number 12, it does not exist, so it is going to return -1. Now how long is that loop is going to run? As soon as my start is going to be less than or equal to end, the loop is going to end. So in the jersey number 6, in the index number 6, I have gotten what I'm looking for, and in that case my start number and end number was equal because I have cancelled out everything else. My start and end was equal, so my loop ended. So that is the solution of our problem. See you in the next video.